Hey, I wanted to share with you what I got at my Scentsy World Tour. So World Tour is our big spring summer catalog launch. We get to have incredible training all day. It's really exciting to see the new products that are coming out, smell everything. So just to take you to what we actually experienced that day. So I was, along with two other Superstar directors, one of the spirit leaders for the day. And so what that looked like was when people first got there, we cheered them on, we let them know we were so excited to see them, that we're so glad they decided to come, because really they are investing in their Scentsy business by coming, being away from their family for the day. It was held in Vancouver this year. Lots of fun. It was at the Sheridan Wall Center in Vancouver, so right downtown. Tons and tons of fun. So everybody who came in got a necklace, and they got one of these little wax confettis. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen me making these. I made 100 of these little baggies so that everyone would be able to go home with them. And in here it says, toss the confetti wax in your warmer and let's give your sniffer a party. Let's celebrate you being sensational. We are so glad that you're here. So everybody got one of these. And on the back, it says, what do you think is in here? Drop your guesses in the post in the group. So we had a Facebook group specifically for this that the spirit leaders had set up. And we asked everybody to guess what fragrances were in their confetti wax. I had actually put together 15 bars and made it into these little confetti packs. So a ton of fun. It kind of smells like a fruity head office, because if you go to our home office, you smell all the different bars. And I decided just to do the fruit. So I'm gonna show you what I got at my world tour. So it's this huge box. But before we went, we were gifted 3 of these exclusive scent circles. When I say exclusive, it's the design as well as the fragrance. So there's the other side. The theme this year was Bud, Bloom, Blossom. And it was, so we got 3 different shapes of these scent circles. And it is the World Tour exclusive. I don't actually know what the fragrances were, but there's 3, and they were fruity fragrances, and they smell so good. I love the fruity ones. So that was a definite win for me. We also got our lanyards in our kit, and it did come with in our little workbook. We also got a workbook. In our little workbook, we had a little lanyard maker that I didn't notice until I had already printed one off. So this is what it came with. So it's perforated, and you can put these stickers and you can spell out your name, and they were to go on here, and then that was to be printed and put in our actual lanyard thing. But I obviously misunderstood that. I didn't look at it properly. So I had printed one off from, somebody had created this little template, and I thought that was a lot of fun. So when we got there, and then we had lanyards. So consultants had blue lanyards, guests had green lanyards. So it was a lot of fun. Jacqueline came with me as my guest because, as you know, she is my assistant. And I wanted her to come, and I want her to experience all the things, because she is going to become a Scentsy consultant when she is, you have to be 18 to be a Scentsy consultant. And she's talked for years about wanting to do that. Whether she does at the end or not, I don't know, but we'll see. So in here, when we first got there, we were also given a ticket, and they gave away door prizes, and I'll tell you what those were at the end. I also, okay, so then everyone comes with like little, not everybody, sorry, I shouldn't say everybody, but people came with like little gifts and stuff. So one of the spirit leaders, they were giving out these little confettis. So everybody got one of those in their lanyard. So they got the confetti wax, the necklace, then they're all wearing their lanyards. They're getting some confetti in their lanyards. And then we also got some stickers. So these were so cute. These little stickers that I was given. You don't have to give out anything by coming to Scentsy World Tour, of course, or Reunion. It's just that some people liked to spread a little extra excitement, and it was really fun. I also got some of these little stickers to put on some customer orders, which I thought were so cute. Somebody gave me this, and I can't even tell you. Okay, Sandy. Oh, she put her name on there. Sandy Renaud. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Sandy. I'm going to find you on Facebook and friend you. She gave us this little package. It has 2 Werthers, and then it also had this little saying on here, and it said faith over fear. And I will tell you guys that I almost teared up when I got this, because I was presenting at Scentsy World Tour, and I have a huge fear of public speaking. So this was actually so kind. She had no idea, but she gave me that. I also got this. This is so cute. This was from Lisa. She has a whole bee theme for her Scentsy business, and it's just darling. She has like a little, I believe it's a she shed, and it's called the Hive, I think. Adorable. Somebody else had made these and given me one of those, and I just think it's darling. It's so sweet, so cute. And then as a Superstar Director, we get a pin that we can take then our lanyard to any any world tour in North America, or any of them actually around the world. If we just buy in once, and then a perk of being a Superstar Director is we get to go to all of the ones that we want to. So that's what that was. So this is like literally right off the bat, there's music playing, and then just like a ton of fun. We had trainings. The trainings were phenomenal. Like I said, the whole theme of the day was Bud, Bloom, Blossom. And we were talking about how customers are, everybody is a different flower. So the seeds that we plant, and then how often to water them based on how people perceive or receive our information and stuff like that. So it was just really, really interesting to find what kind of customers we have, how to find new customers, how to get repeat orders, how to ask people to do Scentsy with us, and how to help them to grow and build their businesses. We also learned about a new tracking system for our customers, which was really awesome. I had never seen it laid out like this quite before, so that was really exciting. And then we also, at the end of the day, so it was like this full day of training. It's not very expensive. It is a business expense. But we had a full day of training. It started at 9. It went until 3 o'clock, and it was just jam-packed with so much great information. And then at the end of the day, they gave out all of the display that we could see, all the spring, summer stuff, all the upcoming like Mother's Day stuff and Easter stuff. We got sneak peeks of all of that as consultants. And then we also got to smell all of the upcoming fragrances. And so everything was on display, because it's really important for us to be able to see and be able to speak to each item. So, how big it is, or does it glow? Is it like, there was one warmer and it is like got a pinkish shade. And I actually thought it was just a pink light bulb in there, or a red light bulb. And it's not. It's actually, so unless I had been able to see that in person, it was really hard for me it would have been hard for me to explain it to somebody, which is why we do parties. We want to be able to show and share the products in person with you, so that you can see it, and that will help you decide if it's the right thing for your decor. So that's what they did. They gave us these tickets, and then they did a draw. And because we're in Canada especially, and they don't want to ship everything back to head office, they did a draw for everything that was on display. So that was really fun. And then one person, and she was so sweet, I hope she reaches out to me, because I would love to be her friend on Facebook. I don't remember her name off the top of my head, but she actually won a golden ticket. And the golden ticket is one ticket at each location. So I think there were 5 locations in Canada. One person gets a golden ticket, and that is their Scentsy Family Reunion, which happens in July. It's our huge convention. They got a free registration ticket for that. So that was so exciting, and she was thrilled, and it was just like this beautiful moment. So anyways, now I'm going to show you what I got in my spirit kit. You guys, this is so nice. So not only did I get like world-class training, I gotta show you that. So hold on. It's heavy. I also got this huge box of goodies. I'm gonna put it down here so that you guys can see it okay. So this is they did a custom box for us, which is so nice. I just love that Scentsy does like go above and beyond for us in these ways. And then inside, so I got new spring and summer catalogs. If you are not a consultant and you would like the spring summer catalog, please drop me an email. I'll put an email underneath this so that you can reach out to me and ask for one if you don't already have a consultant. And I do need to know if you're in Canada or the US, or if you're in another part of the world that we are in, so that I can get you the appropriate catalog. I also got the 10 new spring and summer fragrance testers, which smell so good. So if you host a party, I'm gonna bring those and you can smell them. We also got, okay, let me see what order I wanna go in here. Okay, we got a bar. This is Island Bloom. I can't even tell you, like, this is going to be warmed in my house pretty much all summer. It's so good. I just love it. Okay, we got this exclusive fragrance flower. It is a huge fragrance flower. I didn't bring one down here, but the regular size, if you know, or you could look it up, but this is huge. This is only for us as consultants who attended. It's this huge fragrance flower, you guys. I'm recording this, but I was not planning on editing it, but look how big this is. It is so beautiful. It is at least 2 times as big as our regular fragrance flowers. And we got this exclusive fragrance. So the same one that we had in our, what's it called? Scent circles, we got in an oil. Look, so it's purple. And I can't actually wait to put this in my office because it smells so good. So this is our exclusive consultant perk for attending. It smells so good, you guys. I can't even tell you. Like, I'm halfway tempted to not use it because I don't want to waste it, but at the same time, like, that's what things are for, right? We're supposed to enjoy them and not just store them for a special day, because let's be honest, today could be my last day on earth. I should just enjoy it, right? Not to be morbid, just being real. Okay, so we got that. We also got washer whiffs in clothesline, which is not new, but these are our new Scentsy Suds. This is a sheet. It comes with 25 sheets that can be split. They're perforated, so you can actually get 50 loads out of this. Look how small this packaging is. Absolutely love it. I have tried these before, and I actually really, really like them. So if you're in my VIP list, you get a sneak peek at one of those. My VIPs are people who have placed an order on my website in the last 3 months. They are going to be getting one of those in the mail. Okay, I gotta put this down because the next thing, I got a warmer. You guys, I don't even remember how much I paid to register for World Tour. I think it was like, I don't want to guess actually because I don't know. I don't remember. Well under $500. Like I don't remember. I think it was actually under 200, but don't quote me on that because I don't recall. And then we got this beautiful new warmer that is coming out. This is your sneak peek here. This is coming out in our spring and summer catalog, which launches on March the 1st. And we got it. Everybody in the room, so there were 100 people registered, plus guests. But everyone who was a consultant that registered got one of these. This whole box of stuff for free, you guys. Like, this was included with our training cost. Okay, so this is so pretty. I did not think to plug this in. Hang on. So this is glass. It is called Bubble Blue. If you have like a seaside theme or anything like that, it's so pretty. The detail in it is actually exquisite. This is what I'm saying. Like, we go to World Tour so that we can see and hold and like get a real feel for how things, how we can sell them, because this I would not necessarily recommend for somebody who has, you know, young kids and put this in like their living room. But this is beautiful in like an ensuite, just because it's glass, but it's so pretty. And I believe that the whole thing is blue glass. not colored, like not painted on or anything like that. So I'm at the end of this, I'm gonna plug this in so that you can see what it looks like. But for now, I'm gonna continue on. So that's what we got in our, as a consultant. So we got a warmer, this huge flower, exclusive. We got the washer whiffs, we got the new Scentsy suds, we got a bar, we got testers, and we got catalogs. Okay, so we got all this stuff just for attending. Like every single person in the room got this, okay? And then anyone who had a guest, this is what the guests got. And it is so cute. So Jacqueline got one of these. And I just love, I don't know how to open it. Oh no. Oh, here we go. I love the packaging. Scentsy always just goes above and beyond with their stuff. So everyone who came as a guest got one of these little bundles because we didn't want anyone to be left out, okay? This has 3 of our newest fragrances in it. This is Freshwater Sage. Oh, it's so nice. This is Italian Sunshine. I cannot wait to start sharing these with you guys as of March 1st. This one is Sweet Lime and Peach. Ooh, I don't know. It might be my favorite instead of Island Bloom. It's so good. Anyways, host a party so I can show and share with your friends all of this stuff. And as a host, of course, you're going to earn some free and half price products based on the sales of your party. So that's everything that I got at World Tour. Let me plug this in so that I can show you. Hang on. I'm going to have to bring you with me. Sorry. I have to bring you with me. Welcome to my office. Let me see. Unplug one of these. Oh, hold on, it's a little tight. Please stand by. Sorry for the wait. Okay. Can you see this? Look how pretty it is. I love it. It's so nice. Anyways, if you want this is from the new spring and summer catalog, which of course launches, like I said, on March the 1st. So if you saw some stuff and you're like, oh my goodness, I love that. I would love to partner with you. I would love for you to do Scentsy with me so that you can come to Scentsy Family Reunion in the US in July, or come to World Tour with me next year. You can come as a guest or you can come as a consultant. But however I can help you with your Scentsy needs, please let me know. Have a great day.